Hey, how's it going? My name's Craig. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we help our clients produce bathroom renovation estimates in 90 seconds or less. And yeah, really what this tool is designed for is home renovations, bathroom renovations companies who are ideally doing more than 5 to 10 quotes per week, probably doing it still manually, copying and pasting off spreadsheets, copying into software is really just slow, manual, clunky work. What this tool is really designed to do is to help streamline that entire process so that when you're with a customer, you can produce a quote and close the deal there and then, no having to go home, type up a quote, manually send it, lose a couple of days. Losing the jobs. Yeah, you know the rest. So what I'm going to show you is a very quick walkthrough of this system and how you can use it in your business starting straight away. So basically, it's an AI quoting tool. You can preload all of your existing pricing, suppliers, margins, variables, everything can be preloaded into the system one time so that you can just run it quickly. Every time you're with a site visit, you can knock out a quote in 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to quickly walk you through what it would look like if you were sat with a customer doing an actual measure up on site. So obviously I've done the size of the bathroom. Here there's a couple of variables. What type of floor is it? Are you going to change the layout? What age of the house? And then what's the scope? So we're looking at tiling, vanities, toilet, shower, bath and electrical. You've obviously got options to replace, keep existing. Tiling, obviously, that's a big factor, whether it's going to be floor to ceiling tiling. I'll click accept. And then here, obviously, we've got essential, signature, and prestige. So again, this is all fully customizable, but if you want to give your customers an option of budget and luxury items, luxury packages, sorry, then this would be that. And then at the end here, you've got an option to add on all of these additional things like, extra shelving, extra lighting, custom joinery, etc., etc. So again, I'll just punch in a couple of these just for the sake of the demo, just so you can see how it will work. And then at the end, it'll be a build my quote. So you should be able to, at the end here, hopefully get an accurate estimate of the job. I'll just put in my name here. So for the again, this is really designed so that you can be with a customer on site doing the quote. None of this having to go home, type up the quote manually. Really, the goal here is to save time. If you're spending 30 to 60 minutes plus on every single quote because you're having to do it manually each time, then that's a huge drag on your business. That'll be costing you and your staff, dozens of man hours every single month. What this tool is really designed to do is to give you your time back. So as you can see here, it's punched out a quote based on the assumptions and the pricing that's already been preloaded into the actual tool itself. So again, fully customizable. And then here's a breakdown of what it would actually include. 47,000. Now again, here's how we build these quotes for your customers. So you would have all of your supplier pricing, all of your labor rates, your margins, your scopes, your branding, everything would be preloaded into this machine so that you can bring out the iPad or your tablet or whatever you use when you're on site and walk the customer through a quote here and then. This is really going to be a super important time saver and hopefully close you more jobs here and then. And again, this is just, if you want one of these for your business as well, happy to have a chat. My uh, calendar link will be below this tool, or below this video, sorry, and you can have a click through that, have a chat with us. We can get one of these built for you in 7 days or less, no problem at all. Again, fully customizable to your brand, your offer, and everything else like that. So, hope this has been of value. Any questions, drop a comment, or you can, book a call on the link below. Cheers.